What we're showing is an example of a Matter ecosystem and how Silicon Labs can help to unify the smart home with Matter devices and Matter bridges. Matter is an application layer that enables different products from different vendors using different technologies to work seamlessly together. This is a Matter-based ecosystem using Thread, which demonstrates native support for Matter along with the Z-Wave and Zigbee bridge using our Unify SDK. The Matter device is built on our EFR32 MG24 development hardware. We're using Thread as the networking stack and can communicate directly to Matter Wi-Fi devices via the border router. But what do you do about existing IoT devices that are already installed in the smart home? And how do they integrate with Matter? For that, the answer is bridging. These existing Z-Wave and Zigbee devices represent endpoints on a Matter fabric based on our Unify SDK. This is done using our EFR32 MG21, which is specifically optimized for bridge devices. When I press this button, the EFR32 MG24 sends a Matter packet to the bridge, which is translated using our Unify SDK. This interpreted packet is then sent to both the Zigbee and the Z-Wave endpoints to turn on a Zigbee light and a Z-Wave smart plug. When I press this button again, it'll turn off both of these devices. Robust Matter bridges are critical to bringing today's smart home devices into the future so that your customers can enjoy the benefits of Matter with their existing products. We look forward to working with you to create a smarter and more connected world. To learn more about our Unify SDK, please go to scilabs.com/developers/unify-SDK.